everyone, I'm Lily. I'm 8. Today I'm going to read a story. The title of this story is Wonders of Nature. Introduction. The world is full of strange and interesting animals. Some animals look unusual and have special abilities. Let's look at some of these wonders of nature. Archerfish. Archerfish spit drops of water at insects and spiders to knock them off leaves and branches near the water. Archerfish have very good aim and can squirt over long distances. When the bugs fall into the water and the archerfish eat them, archerfish might also leap all the way out of the water to catch a bug. Trapdoor spider. A trapdoor spider lives in a sticky underground tunnel with a hidden door made of silk and dirt. The silk in the door keeps water out of the spider tunnel when it rains. When an insect passes close to the door, the trapdoor spider senses its movement and jumps out to grab it. Beaver. Beaver chew through the tree trunk with their sharp teeth. They build large dams in rivers and streams using the tree trunk, branches, mud, clay, and stone. Beaver build their homes, which are called lodges, in the pond formed by the dams. By creating the landscape of the area they lived in, the wetland the beaver create with their dams become home to many other animals. Chameleon. Chameleons are lizards that can change color to hide. When the air gets warmer or colder, their skin changes color. They even change color to show how they feel. Chameleons catch insects with arms which can be twice as long as their body. Chameleons in a different direction too at the same time to help them see all around them. When they spotted an insect they want to eat, chameleons focus both of their eyes forward to help them aim their tongue. Flying dragon. Flying dragons are small lizards that can glide through the air from trees to tree. They are full of skin on the side of their body that open like wings. The wings are brightly colored and have spots and stripes on them. Flying dragons use their sticky tongue to catch and eat insects, mainly ants and termites. Leaf insect. Leaf insects are usually found in the tropical area of Asia. The body, wings, and legs look like leaves, which allow them to blend in with real leaves. On trees, their eggs look like seeds. The eggs can take more than a year to hatch. Baby leaf insects are red, but when they start eating leaves, they turn green. Leaf rolling weevil. In the summer, the female leaf rolling weevils roll their leaf into a cone shape. She can take up to 2 to 2 hours getting the leaf just right. She lays her eggs inside the cones and then closes the opening. When the leaf falls to the ground in autumn, it carries the egg with it. The leaf hides and protects the egg until they hatch. When the larvae hatch, they eat the dead leaf. Praying mantis. The praying mantis often holds its front leg in a praising position. Mantises hide on plants to catch their food. Some mantises are green to blend in with leaves, and some that live in the desert are the color of sand. The praying mantis eats many types of insects as well as small frogs. Lizards and mice prey. Praying mantis can even catch and eat small birds such as hummingbirds. Moths bury underground to find and eat earthworms. They also eat beetles, slugs, and snails. A moth digs many connected tunnels, creating a maze. It builds its nest deep in these tunnels because its fur points up. A moth can move backward and forward in the tunnel without getting dirt trapped in its coat. Moths have tiny eyes, but they are not blind. Sea dragon. Sea dragons are small fish that are related to seahorses. Their bodies have many parts that look like the stems and leaves of seaweed. They blend in with ocean plants, which help them catch food and hide from enemies. Sea dragons use small, clear fins on their neck and back to swim. The female lays egg on the male sea dragon tail, and the male carries the egg until they hatch. Conclusion. Interesting animals come in many shapes and sizes. Their special look and abilities help them to survive. All these animals are wonders of nature. The other purpose is to A. Entertain, B. Persuade, C. Inform, D. Describe a process. Choose D. The archerfish and chameleon are alike because A. They both live on land, B. They have special abilities, C. They both fish, D. Neither eat insects. Choose B. The trapdoor spider name comes from the special door is built to its tunnel. B. Its speed in catching insects. C. The way it always makes a web next to a door. D. Its two little eyes. I should say a chameleon changes color. A for protection. B as temperature change. C to show its different moods. D all the above. And Z. Chameleons leave insect. Chameleons leave insect and sea dragons all protect themselves. A with their flying abilities. B with their ability to move quickly. C using poisonous venom. D by blending with their environment. D the V of the leaf rolling, we will use the leaf for food. What are larvae? A. Enemies. B. Have the jump. C. A dog. D. None of the above. Answer B. Flying dragon and chameleon both catch food by A. Running after it. B. Flying after it. C. Using their tongue. D. Spinning web. And C. More like the barrel. What does barrel mean? A. To sleep all day long. B. To look for food. C. To dig a tunnel. D. To climb trees. And C. What is the purpose of the sea dragon? Appearance. A. To give it protection. B. To help it protect eggs. C. To help it catch food. D. All the above. And D. What do these animals have in common? A. All these animals are flying animals. B. All the animals have special abilities or appearances. C. All these animals protect themselves the same way. D. All these animals live above ground. And B.
Wow, you passed. How about trying for perfect?
I got nailed 10 correct. The end. Thank you for listening.